Hello and welcome back, dear students. Today we will start chapter number 5th, which is acids, bases, and salts. Let's see what we have to study in this chapter. First of all, look what is acids. So these are some of the properties of acids. First is sour in taste, which means acids taste sour, produce hydrogen ions, turns blue litmus red, acid plus metal salt plus hydrogen gas conduct electricity, are corrosive, which is acid rain. pH level is less than 7. These are some of the examples of acids. Few examples are vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, curd, tamarind, amla, black tea, apple juice, unripe mango, and grapes. These are the items, or these are the food items which contains acid. About acids: curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word acer, which means sour. The acids in these substances are nature acids. Name of acids, and are here is the list you can see where they can be found in. First is hydrochloric acid, which is found in stomach acid. Sulfuric acid found in car batteries. Nitric acids found in explosives. Acetic acid, which is found in vinegar. Carbonic acid in sodas. Phosphoric acids in flavoring common acids. Formic acid is found in ant's sting. Citric acid are found in citrus fruit, sour food, which are lemon, orange, etc. Lactic acid are found in curd. Oxalic acids are found in spinach. Ascorbic acids are found in amla, citrus fruits. Tartaric acids are found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Now we'll talk about bases. Let's see what are the properties of base. First is base taste bitter, soapy to touch. Water soluble base are called alkalis. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Turns blue litmus red. pH level is greater than 7. Examples of bases: detergent, baking soda, drain cleaner, antacid base, ammonia soap, hand dish, lime water, milk of magnesia. These are few examples of base. Next we'll talk about bases. Baking soda tastes sour. What is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has. About base. Baking soda tastes sour. What is its taste? Since it doesn't taste sour, it means that it does not have acids in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub the solution between fingers, it feels soapy on touching, are known as base. The nature of such substances is A to be basic. Here are the name list of bases and where they can be found in. First is sodium hydroxide, which is found in soaps, drain cleaners. Magnesium hydroxide are found in antacids. Aluminum hydroxide are found in antacids as well as deodorants. Calcium hydroxide in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide in window cleaners. Magnesium hydroxide, milk of magnesia. Ammonium hydroxide is found in ammonia, common base. Weak versus strong base. Now we'll talk about which are weak base and which are strong base. First we'll talk about weak base. Weak bases are potassium carbonate, sodium carbonate, and ammonia. Few examples of strong bases are sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. Now we'll talk about natural indicators. Okay, let's see what are natural indicators which shows whether the substance are acids or bases. First is litmus, a natural indicator. The most common used indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. It has a mauve purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It will be in the form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Examples of indicators are litmus, it can be in the form of paper or solution. Next is turmeric, china rose, and phenolphthalein. Neutralization. Now we'll talk about what is neutralization. So let's see here. When acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salts and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Let's see this neutralization in an equation form. Let's see here acids plus bases which gives salt and water, and also heat is evolved. Example of a neutralization reaction is when hydrochloric acid mixes with sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, and water is produced as well as heat is evolved. This is an example of neutralization reaction. Thank you.